All right, welcome to 229 Saltgrass Ave. This is $1 million property with not a $1 million price tag. So let's go inside. Let's check it out. This is the front. Does have a garage. And we're gonna go and see all of it. Okay. So right away, this is probably one of the prettiest open concepts I've seen in a minute. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I love it. Okay. I'm gonna take off our shoes because this is immaculate. Here's an open house tomorrow, Sunday, March 22nd, 12 to 2. There's the info. All right, let's check it out. So we've got this gorgeous dining room, kitchen, living room, open concept, which I've said it already, but I mean, I love it. To me, this is pretty darn perfect. So let's check out. There's a back porch. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. So there we go. Pop that open. Step outside. Ooh. So this is built for a party. We've got like these gorgeous little views. You could have a block party. And off here, we got a little bit of grass going on in the back. But this is really built to get a cocktail, relax, grill, enjoy. Ah, it's beautiful. Whee! So that was the back porch area. Now, straighten out the curtains. Let us take a look. I'm guessing this will be the master bed. Yes. Ooh. Yep. I love it. I see a walk-in closet over there. Let's check out the bathroom first. Ooh, yeah. So beautifully finished bathroom. I mean, hi. You can't ask for much more. And then let's head in here. Ooh, spacious. I love it. So you could kind of do anything with this closet. You could hang here. It looks like you could do cubbies if you wanted to, or you could just do like you could insert, maybe do a double rack along here and just have clothing. But always leave room for shoes. All right. And then we have our laundry room. I'm guessing this will also take us to the garage. Fabulous idea. Got a little closet here. No, we have the hidden basement entrance. I love it. First, let's take a look at the garage, though. Ooh. I don't know if that's gonna lock behind me, so I am not gonna let it shut, but oh, pretty. All right. And then from there, let's head down with some light. That would be good, right? A little bit of light's always good. Oh my gosh. So for me personally, this would be where the gym would go. Oh, yep, and I am not the only one with this idea. Oh man, you could do anything with this basement. Oh, it's huge. So you got a storage space back here, and everything else is do whatever you want with it. Gosh, you could do a whole entertainment area. I think I would put a gym here and then an entertainment area over here. Or you could do, you know, an office, but there's more space for that too. So you do an office, gym, entertainment. That's my personal thing that I would do with it, but I mean, this feels like it's only limited by your imagination. Let's head back upstairs and check out the upstairs. Beautiful. Oh, let's turn that light out. Well, so far, this would be a yes for me. A little closet. I thought this was the basement, but it's not a closet, it's a bathroom. Oh, handy. So this is really kind of built for family and gatherings to me. Let's take a look off this little balcony. The other thing I like about it is if you do have kids, you've got a nice solid wall here. It's not just a railing or anything, so get this really pretty view. Let's see what we got upstairs. So we are greeted, oh, by a little sitting area. Oh, I love that. Got this full bathroom. Looks like a tiled shower. Yes. The camera looks kind of weird and fuzzy when I pull it back out to that like panoramic view, so there we go. Oh, I like this a lot. You know, especially in the summer, this really does make me feel a bit like the beach. But I could see doing like reading a book here or doing journaling or just hanging out with my baby. So this is one of the two upstairs bedrooms. And then we've got, I'm assuming a closet. Oh, a big closet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, that's a really big closet. I like that. All right. That bedroom number 2. This is only for sports fans. You can only have this bedroom if you're a massive Ravens fan. Just kidding. Oh, we got a lot of clothes in here, but you can see that this is not quite as big of a closet as the last one, but certainly sizable. So 2 bedrooms, with one of the bedrooms being a little bit bigger upstairs. And then we've got a bathroom, and I think the real attraction for me is this little sitting area up here. I kind of love this. You can see myself drinking a coffee, playing with Sophia, hanging out, doing story time. So, one fun thing that also comes with this property is a boat slip. So, we're going to go check that out next. Also, I got called out last time because I said I have a thing for opening every door, and I do, but apparently I did not. So, let's open the last door that I did not open, but I'm opening now. It's in the kitchen, and it is the pantry. Oh, that's very sizable, actually. I want this house. All right. Remax experience. Yes. Let's go find the boat slips. All right. here with the boat slip. So if you enjoy boating, this is probably your property, because honestly, it's probably $1 million property, or at least easily 900,000, but with a price tag much lower than that. So I highly encourage you, come on down tomorrow, the open house, check it out, and hopefully you find the home of your dreams. If not, I'm Claire Coyle at marylandrealestatelady.com, and I can't wait to help you find the home of your dreams.